Hello, I'm your host Jason and welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to quick and easily set up a WordPress website from scratch. First off, you're going to need two things, a domain name and also hosting. The domain name will be the .com or .net name, and then the hosting will be where that website is stored. For instance, let me break it down for you. Say you're planning to rent a physical shop. You would give your business a name. That would, in this case, be the domain name. And then the shop would be, for instance, the plaza that you rent. That would be the hosting. So you're going to be paying somebody to keep your website up to date for persons to find it online. And then you'll have your domain name. So there are two separate entities. So even if in the future you decide to close your website, you will still have your domain name, because once you purchase the domain, you have it for at least a year before you can renew it. But hosting, you would normally pay hosting either every month or every 3 months, depending on the plan that you choose. On my website, I want to set it up easily, and on my channel I try to make things as easy as possible, hence the name Simple Answer. And the easiest hosting platform I see thus far would be HostGator. So that's the one that I'm going to show you how to use. And they start off very affordable at $2.75 per month. And I'll be leaving a link in the description for you to get even 60% off, so you'll be able to get it even cheaper. First off, when you visit HostGator, you're going to select Get Started. And here you'll see they have 3 different hosting plans. The first one, hatchling plan, you will get a single domain, and also all of them they show you one-click WordPress installation, and you'll also get unmetered bandwidth. With other hosting plans from GoDaddy or so on, you get a limited bandwidth. With HostGator, which is why I like them, you get unlimited bandwidth, and you also get a free SSL certificate and a free domain. And then this one now, the baby plan, you'll get unlimited domains, meaning you can set up more than one website on the same hosting plan. And then if you're a business now, you can use the business plan and also get unlimited domains and also the free SSL, and you'll also get a free dedicated IP address. But for me, I'll be using the hatchling plan. So let's click on buy now. If you have a website already, a domain name, you'll click I already own one and then enter it right here. But if you don't have one, right here is where you would select a domain name. For instance, let me just type in something random. Then you can select if you want it to be .com or .net. And after you have selected the name, it will search for the name to see if it's available. As you can see, it's available. It's not available. The only one available will be this one, so let's select it. Alright then you'll scroll down, and here you can add domain privacy. This now, at first I didn't understand what this means in the past, but now I understand. Adding domain privacy will avoid people from searching up your website and finding your name and address and so on. So it's a good idea to add it. But if you don't want to, if you don't care, you cannot add it. And then you'll select the hatchling panel we have selected already. And then here you'll see the billing cycle. So you can select for 36 months and get a bigger discount. Or you can select the 1 month plan or 3 month plan or 6 month plan. It's all up to you. And then here you'll decide to enter your credit card information or use PayPal. And then you'll already get the free SSL certificate, so you don't have to worry about that. And then it's definitely a good idea to select to have it backup, just in case your website should ever get hacked or anything should happen. And here is where you're going to enter the coupon link that I will be leaving in the description to get an even better discount. And then after you have done all of this, you'll simply select here, you have read it, and then select checkout and pay. After you have done that, you will be directed to a page just like this. After you have reached this page, you're going to select install WordPress. And when you select install WordPress, you will be led to a page just like this. And then you will scroll down. Just like this. And then you'll select quick install as I have selected. And you'll scroll down, and here you can choose a blog name. You can change this in the future, so it's nothing serious. Then you can also put in the admin name and admin password. And down here you can select a random theme. And this I'll show you how to change in the future also in another website and another video. And after you have selected the theme, you'll simply press install and give it a few seconds. And then after it has been installed, you'll simply press this WordPress manager right at the top here. And then simply press login. And here is your new website. As you can see, simpleanswer.site, that's the website. And if you should go and look at the blog, I should select my blog at the top right here and then select visit my website. You can see this is the front now. Then I'll go back to dashboard. And then to edit it, you can definitely go to appearance, and here you can choose a different theme if you would like. As you can see, there are numerous themes, and there are also free themes that you can search for otherwise. I'll be sure to do another video to show you how to do that. And when you are ready to write your first post, you will select here. And that's basically it. That's how you will start a WordPress website from scratch. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.